Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to master movement techniques in Overwatch. Strafing. Practice strafing left and right while aiming to make yourself a harder target to hit. AD-AD spam. Master the AD-AD movement pattern to dodge enemy shots effectively during engagements. Jumping patterns. Learn effective jumping patterns to make your movement less predictable and harder to track. Crouch spamming. Use crouch spamming to throw off enemies' aim and avoid headshots. Bunny hopping. Practice bunny hopping with heroes like Lucio or Winston to maintain speed and momentum. Corner peeking. Peek corners quickly to gather information or take shots without exposing yourself fully. High ground navigation. Learn efficient routes to reach high ground quickly and safely during engagements. Wall riding. Master Lucio's wall riding to navigate maps swiftly and access unconventional positions. Stair climbing. Practice climbing stairs smoothly without losing momentum to maintain speed during engagements. Map awareness. Develop awareness of map layout and obstacles to navigate efficiently and use for cover. Dodging predictably. Avoid moving predictably in a straight line. Incorporate irregular movements to confuse opponents. Rapid positioning changes. Practice quickly changing position to avoid being predictable and make use of dynamic cover. Cover usage. Utilize natural cover and environmental objects to protect yourself while moving around the map. Crossing open areas. Plan your movement across open areas by using natural cover and unpredictable movement patterns. Hero-specific mobility abilities. Master hero-specific mobility abilities for effective repositioning and engagements. Rollouts. Learn specific rollout techniques with Lucio to optimize speed and mobility on their maps. Mindful strafing in combat. Strafe consciously in a combat scenarios to avoid enemy fire while maintaining accuracy. And that's how to master movement techniques in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.